Dear friends, welcome back. In this video, I'd like to take a look at one machine on the One Hub, which is Jabbers. The link will be put into the description section below so that you can download and play the machine if you want to. I think we need to improve our skills all the time because we need to keep to improve our hacking or pen testing skills. Okay? Before we go ahead, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and leave a like below. You're greatly appreciated. So enough talk, let's just get started. We can head over to Kali Linux VM. First of all, we need to discover the IP address of the target. The utility I'd like to use, as always, would be netdiscover. As you can see over here, the IP address of a target could be recognized as 140, and we can note down such information to our notebook. So what shall we do next? We need to do port and service scanning with a map. To save time of this video, I've already done that earlier, so for now, we just cut out its result. And as you can see over here, I used the option like scene scan, the version scan, the default script scan, followed by the -p- to do the full range poly scan. The last option for all is ON to output the result into this file. Although, as you can notice here, the IP address has been changed, this doesn't matter. So from the map scanning results, we can tell that the target has 1, 2, 3, 4 open port numbers in total. Let's take a look at them one by one. The first one is 22, which is running SSH service, and also the version information, Open SSH 7.4. This version is not so updated. However, I don't think we can find any workable vulnerability at this point. The second one is 80, which is running HTTP service and also the version information, Apache 2. And the title, maybe this is not English language. And the next one is 3306, which is running MySQL, MariaDB. And the last one is 8080, which is running HTTP service. And also tell us this site has a robust file. Later we can check that out manually by the browser. So what are we going to do next? Just I mentioned in the other videos. If the target has MySQL service running, we should test. We should test whether the MySQL has weak credential vulnerability. So how to do? We can use MySQL, and we can use the option of -u to specify the username, and use the H option to specify the host or the target. And we can use the root as password. Yeah, this host is not allowed to connect to this target MySQL server or MariaDB server. So I think it's very clear what shall we do next. We need to emulate the web application both manually and automatically. Let's fire up the browser. And we can put the IP address of the target into the address bar. And we got the site back. So here, I think, although this is not in English, but I guess that this would be the user login form. We can put admin and admin as username and password to click OK. But we got the error. So maybe this is not the right direction for us. So next, we need to check its source code of this page. Sometimes, as you know, source code can leak something interesting. But it's not the case for this machine. So next, we need to check the robot file. Not found as well. So next, we can pull up the terminal to use Nikto to make automatic enumeration. Nigto can give us a lot of different types of information, like the header, the the vulnerability of the web server, and also the allowed HTTP methods. If the target allows dangerous methods such as put, and then we can utilize this dangerous method to our advantage. For example, upload malicious file to the target. So the SSH, HTTP, and also MySQL. It's not so exciting. So next we can launch the GoBuster to do the directory enumeration. The GoBuster directory. Press enter. And in the meantime, we can take a look at the second web application, which is running over 8080. So I think this would be the Jenkins application. And here we can try to use the username, admin. Password is also admin login, but failed. And also we try to use the login bypass technique to try login. So failed. Next we can check the robots file. But nothing here. Let's check or view the page source. So, so far we have already made immersion with these two web applications, but not so exciting, right, so far. However, I think the GoBuster has already discovered access page. And let's take a look at this page. Here, creds encrypted in safe way. Actually, we are given 3 sets of credentials. Great, wonderful. So now I think we can copy and put over here. And this would be the MD5. If you don't know about this, we can use some different tools to identify. For example, we can use the hash, sorry about this. We can use the hash identifier. Paste in here. So this is the MD5. Next, we can use John the Ripper or Hashcat, but also we can use online service. The CrackStation. I think I've already opened up this one. No, not yeah, this one. So I think we can, for example, this hash has been decrypted to this one. We can copy and put in here. And how about this one? Result, we can copy the result to our notebook. And the first one, all right, I think we have already successfully retrieved the credentials in clear text. So next, I think for me, I'd like try to use the username and its corresponding password to SSH to the target. So how to do? We can use SSH. So enter yes, and the password we can copy from here. Doesn't work. So next we can try to use another username. We can copy and copy its password to try. Doesn't work either. So all of them do not work. So maybe we can try to use these credentials to log in to the Jenkins application. For example, the first one is Tiago, and the password login, but not correct or invalid. So how about the second one? And this one, login. So how about this one? Login. This one seems it's working. So now we are in Jenkins, and as you know, Jenkins has some manage Jenkins. We can run the Groovy script because Jenkins provides us with script console, and we can run arbitrarily Groovy script. And to be honest, I'm not familiar with the Groovy script or language. So we need to use Google to make some research to get some script. For example, this one to get reverse shell. And to be honest, when I did the machine the first time, I tried to use this one. But this script doesn't work very well. And also I go to which one? Yeah, this one we can copy. Of course, I've already made a copy and paste into the notebook. And you need to do some modification. You need to modify the horse. Also, the single quotes, double quotes should be retyped to make it work properly. Very important. Otherwise, you will get some errors. I've already done that before, so now we can copy and put in here. Before we hit run, we need to set up the listener first. Run it. As you can see, we successfully got the collection from the target, and we need to spawn a beta shell by Python. Python 2 is there, so we can import pty module, pty spawn bin bash, and also we can export the environment variable term. So then we can clear screen when necessary to get bigger space on the screen. And next we need to do some local immersion to elevate a privilege. Adder, but permission denied. So how about OPT? Nothing here. Va go to nothing here. Go to HTML subdirectory. So index a lot of files. So maybe next we can upload the NumPy shell script to do the automatic enumeration, right? And I've already got this script ready. So now we need to upload this script to the target. In order to do that, we can set up the web server on the Kali Linux. Let's go back, and then we can use wget to upload. And then we can make it executable, and then we can run it. As you know, if you want to elevate privilege, in most cases, we can utilize this script to do the automatic enumeration. And this script can do very comprehensive enumeration from a variety of aspects, such as process information, SUID, bit of binaries, capabilities, cron job, even can find some files which contain sensitive information. It's done. Next, we need to scroll up to look for vectors which can allow us to elevate privilege. Mails, others. Capabilities, SUID, bit, MySQL collection, also version information, active ports. Oh, cron job. Every 5 minutes, root user, super user will execute this script. So next we need to see whether we have a permission to manipulate this script. We can copy this absolute path. Everyone can modify or manipulate this script. So I think, and also this script is run or executed by the root user. And so what can we do next? We can put the reversal command into this script, and then we can get or spawn another shell, and this shell should belong to the root user. So how to do? We can go to the PenTestMonkey website. We can copy, and we can put over here the IP address of my Kali Linux, and we need to use different port number. Maybe I'd like to use this command. This normally will be better. We can use double quotes. And then we can copy. We can echo. And append to this script. Of course, we need to wait 5 minutes because this script will be executed every 5 minutes, right? We can set up the listener, another listener, to wait for collection from the packet. Okay, I do not want to waste your time. So when it's done or it's connected, I'll come back. All right, as you can see over here, we have really got another collection from the target. And as you can see from here, from the user information, we can know that this session or this collection is triggered by the root user. So now we can go to the root directory and then get the flag without any problem. So that's all I'd like to do in this video. See you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day, please.